Learned continents: Asia, 60% of humans, 30% of land. Cradle of humanity and religion, the largest continental economy. Asia covers about 30% of Earth's total land area and 8.7% of the Earth's total surface area. Almost 4.5 billion people live in Asia, which is about 60% of Earth's population. Asia is so big it touches Europe in the west and nearly reaches North America in the east. Asia is bounded on the east by the Pacific Ocean, on the south by the Indian Ocean, and on the north by the Arctic Ocean. Asia has the largest continental economy by both GDP Nominal and PPP in the world, and is the fastest growing economic region. Land mass. The overland border of Asia with Europe is a historical and cultural construct, as there is no clear physical and geographical separation between them. Asia is generally defined as comprising the eastern 4/5 of Eurasia. The most commonly accepted boundaries place Asia to the east of the Suez Canal, separating it from Africa, and to the east of the Turkish Straits, the Ural Mountains and Ural River, and to the south of the Caucasus Mountains and the Caspian and Black Seas, separating it from Europe. The Gobi Desert is in Mongolia, and the Arabian Desert stretches across much of the Middle East. The Yangtze River in China is the longest river in the continent. The Himalayas between Nepal and China is the tallest mountain range in the world. Tropical rainforests stretch across much of southern Asia, and coniferous and deciduous forests lie farther north. Cradle of humanity and human religion. Asia has a mix of many different climates ranging from the equatorial south, via the hot desert in the Middle East, temperate areas in the east, and the continental center to vast subarctic and polar areas in Siberia. In the Middle East, archaeologists have found traces of the world's oldest known cities. The oldest is Jericho. It's a city in the West Bank, between Israel and Jordan. Jericho dates back more than 8,000 years. The Middle East is often called the cradle of civilization. It was here, in Mesopotamia, that people first began to settle into communities and grow grains. That was over 10,000 years ago. Both China and India are also home to other great early civilizations. The Middle East is the birthplace of Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. India is the ancient home of Hinduism and Buddhism. Climate. Asia has extremely diverse climate features. Climates range from Arctic and subarctic in Siberia to tropical in southern India and Southeast Asia. It is moist across southeast sections, and dry across much of the interior. Some of the largest daily temperature ranges on Earth occur in western sections of Asia. The monsoon circulation dominates across southern and eastern sections, due to the presence of the Himalayas forcing the formation of a thermal low which draws in moisture during the summer. Southwestern sections of the continent are hot. Siberia is one of the coldest places in the northern hemisphere, and can act as a source of Arctic air masses for North America. The most active place on Earth for tropical cyclone activity lies northeast of the Philippines and south of Japan. Economy. Asia has the largest continental economy by both GDP Nominal and PPP in the world, and is the fastest growing economic region. As of 2018, the largest economies in Asia are China, Japan, India, South Korea, Indonesia, and Turkey based on GDP in both nominal and PPP. Based on global office locations, 2011, Asia dominated the office locations, with 4 of the top 5 being in Asia: Hong Kong, Singapore, Tokyo, and Seoul. Around 68% of international firms have office in Hong Kong. It is forecasted that India will overtake Japan in terms of nominal GDP by 2025. By 2027, according to Goldman Sachs, China will have the largest economy in the world. Nobel Prize winners. The polymath Rabindranath Tagore, a Bengali poet, dramatist, and writer from Santiniketan, now in West Bengal, India, became in 1913 the first Asian Nobel laureate. He won his Nobel Prize in Literature for notable impact his prose works and poetic thought had on English, French, and other national literatures of Europe and the Americas. He is also the writer of the national anthems of Bangladesh and India. Hashtags continents, Asia, 5 billion people. Learn continents, Asia, 60% of humans, 30% of land. Cradle of Humanity and Religion, the largest continental economy.